The Linex Black Icon Pack is an Android application designed to provide users with a sophisticated collection of icons that feature a sleek, black-themed aesthetic. This icon pack showcases a modern design style, focusing on bold silhouettes and sharp outlines to create a striking visual impact on the user interface. With an extensive library of icons covering popular apps, Linex Black enables users to customize their devices with a uniform and stylish appearance. The black color scheme enhances the overall sleekness, making it ideal for users who prefer a darker theme or want to achieve a chic look for their home screen. Additionally, the app often includes features like matching wallpapers and widget styles, helping users to create a cohesive and visually appealing theme across their devices. With its intuitive interface, applying these icons is a straightforward process, allowing users to effortlessly enhance the customization of their Android devices. Overall, the Linex Black Icon Pack is a perfect choice for those seeking to elevate their app's appearance with elegant and modern designs.